Hey, what's up guys? So Xiaomi is all set to launch its most premium smartphone, the Xiaomi 13 Ultra on April 18th. The device will rock many premium features including a 1-inch camera sensor. And today some more information about its camera has been revealed by Digital Chat Station. According to him, the Xiaomi 13 Ultra's main camera will now feature variable aperture technology. We've seen this technology on Samsung's premium smartphones, but for the first time Xiaomi is adopting this technology. With variable aperture technology, users can adjust the aperture size during shooting for enhanced blurring effects and greater adaptability to different lighting conditions. In my opinion, this is a brilliant move by Xiaomi as it will make the Xiaomi 13 Ultra stand out from other flagships. The Xiaomi 13 Ultra will have a massive round camera module at the back that covers almost the entire upper half of the rear. The main camera is gonna be a 50 megapixel Sony IMX989 sensor. It's a 1-inch sensor that will be paired with 3 50 megapixel cameras. The front may house a 32 megapixel selfie snapper. As I told you, Xiaomi is going to launch this smartphone on April 18th in both China and globally. But Xiaomi fans living in India might not be able to get their hands on this device as it is being said that the device will not launch in India. The Xiaomi 13 Ultra will be powered by the Snapdragon 8 Gen 2 CPU and will come with up to 16GB of LPDDR5X RAM and UFS 4.0 storage. The base variant of the Xiaomi 13 Ultra could be priced at 6,299 yuan and the higher-end variant could be priced at 7,499 yuan. The Xiaomi 13 Ultra will compete against the likes of the Galaxy S23 Ultra and some other flagships of the rival brands. It is expected that the Xiaomi Pad 6 and Xiaomi Band 8 will be launched alongside Xiaomi 13 Ultra. So that is all for today, and what do you guys think about this? Do let me know in the comment section down below. With that said, thank you for watching. Catch you guys in the next one. Peace out.